Do you have a problem with pests around your house? If so, you're not alone. If you're looking for a way to eliminate pests around your home, look no further than rubbing alcohol. This video will show you how to use rubbing alcohol to get rid of pests quickly and easily. Rubbing alcohol is a household staple with many uses, from cleaning to first aid. But what exactly is rubbing alcohol? Rubbing alcohol is a clear liquid with a strong odor. It's made of 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% water, making it a highly effective disinfectant that can kill bacteria and viruses on surfaces. Rubbing alcohol is also flammable, so it's critical to use it safely. When using rubbing alcohol to eliminate pests, keep it away from open flames. One of the various uses of rubbing alcohol is to eliminate pests around the house. Rubbing alcohol will kill most pests on contact, including ants, bedbugs, plant bugs, roaches, and spiders. It is also effective against earwigs, silverfish, and moths. Generally, the most effective way to use rubbing alcohol to eliminate pests is to pour it into a spray bottle and mist the areas where you see pests. Let's take a look at the best ways to use rubbing alcohol for each individual pest. 1. Dust mites. Dust mites are one of the most common indoor allergens. These insects are tiny creatures that thrive in warm, humid environments and feed on dead skin cells. Although they are too small to be seen with the naked eye, they can cause a lot of misery for people allergic to them. If you're looking for a natural way to get rid of dust mites, look no further than rubbing alcohol. This inexpensive household product can kill dust mites and their eggs. Rubbing alcohol will kill dust mites on contact. It evaporates quickly, so there is no need to worry about it harming your furniture or carpeting. To use rubbing alcohol to kill dust mites, soak a cotton ball or cloth in the rubbing alcohol and then wipe down any areas where you suspect dust mites may be present. Pay special attention to bedding, upholstered furniture, and carpeting. You can also create a 50-50% mixture of water and rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. Mist the solution onto any areas where you suspect dust mites may be present, including mattresses, upholstered furniture, carpets, and curtains. Ensure you spray any cracks and crevices where these pests may be hiding. Once you've treated the affected areas, allow the solution to dry completely. It will usually take about an hour. 2. Bedbugs and plant bugs. When it comes to pests, most people think of insects like ants, mosquitoes, and cockroaches. However, other pests can be just as annoying, if not more so. Bedbugs and plant bugs are two examples of pests that can be difficult to eliminate. Rubbing alcohol is a great way to get rid of these pests. Pour some rubbing alcohol into a spray bottle and spritz the bugs with the mixture. The alcohol will kill them on contact. For bedbugs, you may need to spray the area where they live, such as your mattress or sofa. For plant bugs, you can spritz around your plants. You can also apply it directly to the pests using a cotton swab or other similar applicator. Rubbing alcohol will kill the bugs on contact, so there's no need to worry about harming your furniture or clothing. If you have a severe infestation of either bug, you may need to treat your home with multiple applications of rubbing alcohol. But in most cases, a single treatment will be enough to eliminate the problem for good. 3. Fruit flies. Fruit flies are prevalent household pests. They are attracted to sugary fruits and vegetables, making your kitchen a breeding ground for these little insects. While many products on the market claim to kill fruit flies, one of the simplest and most effective methods is rubbing alcohol. You might have to create a trap to eliminate fruit flies with rubbing alcohol. Fill a jar or bowl with rubbing alcohol and set it where the fruit flies congregate. The fruit flies will be attracted to the scent of the alcohol and will fly into the jar, where they will drown. You can also use rubbing alcohol to clean surfaces infested with fruit fly larvae. Apply the alcohol to a cloth and wipe down countertops, floors, or any other surface where you have seen evidence of these pests. 4. Head lice. If you're looking for a safe, effective way to get rid of head lice, look no further than rubbing alcohol. This inexpensive household staple can kill lice and their eggs quickly and easily. Soak a cotton ball in rubbing alcohol and apply it to the affected area. Leave it for at least 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Repeat this process daily until the lice are gone. You can also use rubbing alcohol to prevent head lice infestations in the first place. Soak a cotton ball in it and run it through your hair before you go to bed each night. Doing this will create an unwelcome environment for lice, making it less likely that they will take up residence in your locks. 5. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are one of the most common household pests. They are attracted to warm, humid environments and can be challenging to control. However, there are a few ways to get rid of them. One way to eliminate cockroaches is to use rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol will kill cockroaches on contact and is a safe, effective way to get rid of these pests. Pour some rubbing alcohol into a spray bottle and mist any areas where you see cockroaches. You can also use a cotton ball soaked in rubbing alcohol to wipe down surfaces where cockroaches have been. Another way to control cockroaches is to keep your home clean and free of clutter. Cockroaches are attracted to food and moisture, so it's crucial to keep your kitchen and bathroom clean and dry. 6. Spiders. While spiders are not dangerous, they can be a nuisance. There are a few simple ways to get rid of spiders using rubbing alcohol. Create a mixture of equal parts water and rubbing alcohol and apply it directly to the pest. This substance will kill spiders on contact. You can also use this mixture to create a spider repellent. Spray the mixture around doors and windows to keep spiders out. Rubbing alcohol can also work to kill off predatory spider mites on plants. Put some onto a tissue or cotton ball, hold the leaf, and gently swipe the rubbing alcohol wetted item over the leaf. This liquid will dehydrate and kill spider mites. 7. Ants. For many people, ants are a nuisance. They invade your home, crawl around in your food, and can be difficult to exterminate. But did you know there is a simple way to eliminate these pests? Rubbing alcohol is an effective way to kill ants. Pour some rubbing alcohol into a spray bottle and spritz it onto them. The alcohol will kill them instantly. You can also soak a cotton ball in rubbing alcohol and place it near the entrails. The scent will attract the ants, and they'll crawl onto the cotton ball and die. This method is safe and easy to use and doesn't require special equipment or chemicals. 8. Moths. If you're dealing with a moth infestation, don't despair. There are several things you can do to get rid of them. One of the most effective methods is to use rubbing alcohol. Here's how to do it. Start by mixing 1 part rubbing alcohol with 1 part water in a spray bottle. Then, thoroughly saturate any areas where you've seen moths or their larvae. Pay special attention to cracks and crevices, as these are prime locations for infestations. Once you've treated the affected areas, take preventative measures to ensure the moths don't come back. First, vacuum regularly to remove any eggs or larvae that may be present. Secondly, keep your home clean and clutter-free as moths are attracted to dirty environments. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of household pests with apple cider vinegar. Thanks for watching and bye for now.